Welcome back, folks. Today on Product Critique, we've got a gem for all you kitchen aficionados out there. Feast your eyes on the best sink rubber mat available in the market. Crafted with premium materials and exceptional attention to detail, this sink mat by AllTopBargains is a game-changer in the world of kitchen accessories. Let's dive into what makes this product stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk durability. Made with precision and rigorously tested, this mat is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy, low-quality mats that wear out after a few uses. With this sink mat, you can trust that you're investing in a product that will withstand the test of time. But durability isn't the only thing this mat has going for it. It's also designed with performance in mind. Its non-slip rubber construction ensures that it stays securely in place, providing a stable surface for all your kitchen tasks. Now, let's talk features. Measuring at 10 inches by 12 inches, this rectangular mat fits perfectly in most kitchen sinks. Its heat resistance of 4.1 ensures that it can handle hot pots and pans without a problem. Plus, it's easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. Simply rinse it off or wipe it down with a damp cloth, and it's good as new. No more scrubbing and scraping to remove stubborn stains. And let's not forget about value for money. Priced competitively, this 2-pack sink mat offers incredible bang for your buck. You're getting not one, but 2 high-quality mats that will elevate your kitchen experience. So, there you have it, folks. The best sink rubber mat on the market, hands down. If you're tired of dealing with flimsy, ineffective sink mats, do yourself a favor and grab a set of these. Your kitchen will thank you.